Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you could not load the common event logging library underscore release.dll error message that you're experiencing when playing Halo. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. And on the right side underneath apps list, you want to go ahead and type in C++. One of the best results should come back with Microsoft Visual C++. Select the three-dotted icon next to each of these entries and select Modify. And if you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes and select the Repair button. And you want to do that for the other entry in here as well. So again, Modify, select Yes, and then Repair. And then once that's done, we will need to restart our computer, so select the Restart button. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.